Homework number 2 would be little medium level. The first one is you will read this program, which starts with two variables, num1 and num2, and trace it and print eventually what is number 3. The second program, you will do a very popular operation in computer science. We name it swap. Swapping two things means to change the content of one of them to have the other guy and the other guy to have value of me. For example, if number 1 value is 7 and number 2 variable is 25, if we swap the values of these two guys in the memory, then the value of number 1 will be 25 and then the value of number 2 will be 7. So you see there is a kind of exchange operation that happened here. So this is what mainly happened here. In this program, you will use this following template. You are going to read two integers here on a line and eventually print the two line numbers here. You are expected to write 3 lines here. If you needed more, do it, but you don't need more than 3 lines. After these 3 lines, the values of number 1 and number 2 will be swapped. For example, if the user entered 10 and 20, then the output will be 20 and 10. You should only change these 3 lines, nothing else. That's all.